Wouldn't it be cool if you could walk outside your home and harvest heaps and heaps of delicious, nutritious plants that were better than store-bought organic food? I think so. And I have good news for everybody watching, because this is not only easy to do, but it's much more convenient than driving anywhere to the store and buying said nutritious, delicious food. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I would do it and hopefully teach you how you can do it too. So if you give me some of your precious time, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to identify 10 plus edible weeds. And not only that, but I'm gonna show you how to identify them in a safe and responsible manner so that you'll remember them for the rest of your life, and you'll know how to differentiate clover from dandelion and beyond as easy as you already can differentiate between like an orange, an apple, and a banana. So if that sounds like a really good trade to you, then stick around, because this should be fun and educational. One more thing to add. If you're watching from the couch right now, I highly recommend that you pause the video, pull me up on your phone or other mobile device, step outside with me in whatever capacity is convenient for you. Try and find some plants and follow along, because I kind of think that you're gonna get more out of it if you do it in this manner. This will turn this foraging hike into a hands-on experience for you, and thus the learning will be deeper and more well-rounded. And without further ado, let's just hop right in. Ready, set, go.